Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! We've got four cute manis that will show your festive spirit and will make everyone around you so jealous. For our Christmas rebels, start with a white base and add a glow-in-the-dark taco on top. Make a black squiggle at the nail tip and a black tall rainbow arch on top. Fill in the space on the side and add 3 dots for the ghost's face. Use a red polish to make a little Santa hat on our ghost and add white dots at the tip and base of the hat. Finish with a top coat. I love this design because it's so cute and fun. I do apologize because I tried to get a glow in the dark shot, but it really didn't work. This one is for our festive fellows. Start with a green base. Take a shiny goldy polish and make a blobby line across the nail for tinsel. Then make 2 black slightly curved lines and add many different colored dots staggered on the lines. Add a glow-in-the-dark top coat only on the dots and finish with a top coat. I love the Christmas tree vibes, and the string of lights look like stars in the dark. I unfortunately couldn't capture that on camera, so you'll have to take my word for it. These next designs are quite complicated. The first one, we're going to start with a creme base and add a sparkly cross on the nail. Outline the cross with a creme of a similar color. Use that sparkly polish and make a bow. Start with a dot in the center and attach 2 teardrops and 2 ribbon strands. I started to outline that with a similar creme color but changed it to black because it was hard to see. Finish that with a top coat. For the next design, start with a creme base. Take a sparkly polish and make a hexagon. Turn the edges into trapezoids, fill it in, and outline it in black. In the spaces in between, make triangles, fill them in, and outline in black. In the center, make a rectangle, fill it in, and outline in black. Staggering the triangles, make arches that look like petals around the rectangle, fill them in, and outline them in black. Finish with a top coat. This mani is not for beginners, but it is so fun and it can be also used for birthdays or other gift-giving occasions. This last one will for sure be a fan favorite. Start with a tinted base coat. I'm using 2 coats of a white base coat and 1 coat of a pink base coat. Use a red magnetic polish at the tip of the nail. If you're not sure how, follow the natural white part of your nail. Magnetize to try and get a velvet look from the nail polish. Take a silver holographic polish and make a line where the red and the base meet. For our accent nail, make a snowflake at the corner by making lines like sun rays, connect them, and make sharp angles at the ray tips with a white polish. Finish with a top coat. I've been sleeping on this idea for ages, and I truly believe this may be the best yet behind my butterfly design. And with that, you are all set to slay during the holidays. All the polishes I've used will be in the video description, and leave a comment of any designs you'd want to see. Subscribe because I've got some winter designs coming. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Bye!